Hello, everyone, and welcome back to DR Speak Now. I'm David with Anna, and this is day 7, the last day of week 1.
Hello, everyone. Can you believe it? One whole week of showing up, speaking out loud, and building your English. That is a huge, huge achievement. Give yourself a moment to feel proud.
And to finish the week strong, today we tackle one of the most common questions in the whole English-speaking world. That question is, where are you from?
You will hear this question 100 times in your life. In shops, at work, in cafes, on trips, in schools, at parties, everywhere.
And by the end of this episode, you will have a warm, natural, confident answer ready for it every single time. Have you ever been asked, where are you from, and felt your mind go blank? Don't worry, that's over today.
Let's finish week 1 in style.
Let's talk about why this matters so much. In English-speaking culture, where are you from is not a small question. It's how we connect. It's how we start friendships. It's how we understand each other.
Right, and it opens a beautiful door. When you say where you're from, people often smile and say, "Oh, I've been there," or "I have a friend from there." And suddenly, you're not strangers anymore.
But here's the consequence if you can't answer smoothly. That golden connection moment slips away. You freeze, they change the topic, and the chance to bond is gone.
And this question comes with a beautiful bonus. You get to share a little piece of your culture, your city, your home. That's a gift you give to the world.
So this small answer is actually one of the most powerful sentences you'll ever learn. Let's make yours amazing. Let's look at the common mistakes.
Mistake number 1, mixing up "I'm from" and "I live in." These are different. "I'm from" is your origin, where you were born or grew up. "I live in" is where you are right now. They can be the same, but they can also be very different.
Mistake number 2, using the wrong preposition. Many beginners say, I'm from in Brazil, or I live at Toronto. Careful, it's just I'm from Brazil, no in, and I live in Toronto, not at. Simple. From plus place, live in plus place.
Mistake number 3, saying "I from Brazil." Don't forget the little word "am." "I am from Brazil," or the short form, "I'm from Brazil." Always include "am."
Mistake number 4, only giving one word. Someone asks, where are you from? And the answer is just Brazil. It's not wrong, but it feels short. A full sentence like, I'm from Brazil, is much warmer.
Mistake number 5, forgetting to ask back. Same trap as always. After you share your answer, ask, "How about you? Where are you from?" This is where the real conversation begins.
All easy to fix. Let's do it. Here are your key phrases step by step. Repeat out loud.
Step number 1, "I'm from" plus your country or city. "I'm from Brazil." "I'm from Vietnam." "I'm from Tokyo." This is your origin, where you began.
Step number 2, I live in plus your city or country. I live in Toronto. I live in London. I live in a small town. This is where you are now.
Step number 3, combining them. If they're different, you can say both. "I'm from Italy, but I live in London now." So natural and rich.
Step number 4, describe your place. It's a big city, or it's a small town, or it's a beautiful place by the sea. Just one extra sentence brings your home to life.
Step number 5, mention how long you've lived there. "I've lived here for 2 years." A slightly more advanced sentence, but so useful. Or the simpler version, "I moved here 2 years ago."
Step number 6, always ask back. How about you? Where are you from? Or where do you live? Keep the door open.
Step number 7, a bonus. Share one thing you love about your place. "I love the food there." "I love the mountains." One small love note makes your answer memorable.
Now let's hear it in action. Anna, where are you from?
I'm from Italy, but I live in London now. It's a big city. I love the food there. How about you?
I'm from Canada, and I live in a small town by a lake. It's very quiet, beautiful, full, and personal. Now people know a real piece of who we are.
Mini recap. I'm from, for origin. I live in, for now. Combine them if different. Describe your place. Add how long. Share one thing you love. And always ask back. Let's build the habit.
Exercise number 1. Your 2 sentences. Say your origin and where you live out loud 5 times. I'm from, I live in. Make them roll off your tongue.
Exercise number 2. Describe your city. Say 3 sentences about your place out loud. I live in city. It's a big, small city, town. I love the food, parks, beaches.
Exercise number 3. Role play the question. Ask yourself out loud in David's voice, where are you from? Then answer in your own voice. Play both roles.
Exercise number 4. The ask back drill. Practice, how about you? Where are you from? 5 times. Automatic and natural.
Exercise number 5. Make a mental map. Think of 5 friends or family members. In English, in your head, say where each one is from. Silent practice that builds real speed.
Small habits, big results. Trust the process.
Let's talk about the feelings.
Challenge number 1. People don't know my country and I feel shy. Please don't feel that way. It's actually a beautiful chance to teach someone something new. You can add 1 sentence. It's a country in Europe, Asia, South America. You become an ambassador for your home.
Challenge number 2. My city name is hard to pronounce in English. So common. Say it clearly in your own way. People will understand. If they ask again, spell it slowly or write it down. Never feel ashamed of your city's name. It's part of your identity.
Challenge number 3. I live in one place, but my family is from another. It feels complicated. That's a beautiful modern situation, and there's a beautiful sentence for it. I'm from country, but I live in country now. 1 line, both stories. Perfect.
So don't give up. This question will soon be one of your favorites to answer.
A few useful words from today. Origin, where you began, where you were born. Preposition, small words like in, at, and from that connect ideas. Ambassador, someone who represents their country or culture. Identity, who you are, including where you come from. Try one today.
3 quick questions. Answer out loud.
Question 1. What preposition do you use with I live? Question 2. How do you talk about a place that's different from where you were born? Question 3. What question do you ask to hear about someone else's home? Wonderful!
Let's recap. I'm from, for origin. I live in, for now. Combine them. Describe your place. Share one love. And ask back.
And what a week it has been! Look at everything you can do now. Greet people, introduce yourself, chat about how you feel, say goodbye warmly, use numbers, talk about your family, and share where you're from. That's the shape of a real conversation.
You are not a silent beginner anymore. You are a real speaker in training. Be proud. Week 1. Complete.
Our question for you today. Comment below, where are you from? Let's see how many wonderful countries are in the DR SPEAKNOW family.
And please like, share, and subscribe to DR SPEAKNOW. It helps us reach more learners just like you.
Take a deep breath. You did week 1. That's amazing.
Keep practicing, stay sharp, and we'll see you in the next episode. This is Dr. SpeakNow.